Today what I'm doing is I'm doing a repair on a platinum engagement ring. The prongs were completely gone. So I've taken them, cut off and put new seats in. I'm going to put it right into the clamp. You can see how the clamp adjusts to hold things. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some platinum solder and I'm going to put solder in ahead of adding the prongs. So I'm wearing eye protection and I'm putting the head, and notice where my finger is. It's on the clamp for support. There's one. Some more solder. There's two. I'm going to spin it around, and I'm going to grab some more solder. Place number 3. And I'm going to just grab the last solder for the last one. Just like that. So I'm take a pair of tweezers. I'm going to grab a hold of my prong. And I'm going to put my prongs on. There's one. Adjust it just a little bit. There's 2. Spin it around. Just a little bit more to the side. Oh, one more. So I still got my finger on the clamp. The clamp's getting warm, but I can still do it. So there's my 4 prongs on there. I can take it and I can come down and I can take a look at it. And basically there you can see what I've done. Any movement to adjust them, any better I just do by hand. I don't have to do any more soldering.